How to delete all likes on Instagram at once. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete all of your likes on Instagram at once. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Instagram app. Then once you're on your Instagram app, go to your profile. So to go to your profile, tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner here. Then you have to tap on these three lines in the top right corner here. Then tap on your activity, and in your activity tap on interactions, and here in interactions tap on likes, and here you will see all of your liked posts. So now you have to tap on select here in the top right corner. Then you can select the post you don't want to like. So after selecting your post, you can tap on unlike in the bottom here. Then again tap on unlike, and all of the selected posts are unliked at once. And so this is how you can delete all likes on Instagram at once. Thanks for watching.